If someone had told me about a year ago that there would be a plan that would offer unlimited talk, text, and data for $10 a month, I probably would have just laughed. But guess what? That's actually a reality now. Hey YouTube, how's it going? My name's Jonathan, and in this video, I'm taking a look at the $10 a month FreedomPop cell phone plan, which is the craziest deal I've seen in a long time. So when I first saw FreedomPop's cell phone plan, I genuinely couldn't believe how good of a deal it was. If you look at equivalent plans on other wireless networks, you're paying a whole lot more for an equivalent plan. On Sprint, for instance, they charge $40 monthly for a plan with a 2GB data cap, or you can pay $45 monthly with T-Mobile or AT&T and get 2GB of data as well. On FreedomPop, you're getting all of that for a much cheaper price without any significant catch. Your phone is going to ring when you get calls, you can send text messages and receive emails, you can look things up on the web, you can watch videos on YouTube, maybe in like 720p, which might be slightly lower than you're used to, but really it's going to look fine on your phone screen. The only big thing you should know is that FreedomPop does cap high-speed data at 1GB, so if you go over that, they're actually going to throttle your speed quite significantly. You'll get between basically 2G and 3G speed, which is enough to send email, text, and instant messaging, and even to load a lot of web pages, but probably it's not going to be good enough for watching videos on your phone. To give you an idea of the kind of speeds you'll be getting with a throttle connection, a picture-heavy page like CNN will open in about 40 seconds, Amazon will open in about 10 seconds, and Sprint will open in 12 seconds, which are a lot slower than you'd probably normally be used to, but it's still very passable and you'll be able to do some surfing on the web even after you go over that 1GB mark. FreedomPop service is actually on the Sprint network, which is long considered to have the weakest reach in each of the big four wireless carriers, but the phone will work fine in most big cities, and even if you're farther from civilization than that, so long as you're not way off in the wilderness, you should be able to get some kind of signal. If you really need more high-speed data, you can actually upgrade your plan to get 2GB of high-speed data a month for only $5 more, that's $15 a month, and that's actually the most popular FreedomPop plan. It's used by about 60% of their users. I should mention though that a lot of times people don't actually use that much data. According to FreedomPop's CEO, the average data usage of FreedomPop users is only 1.3GB a month, and that kind of makes sense because a lot of times you're going to have access to Wi-Fi. You're going to be at home, at work, or in a place with a public Wi-Fi network, and in any of those situations, you won't be using the data on your phone. Overall, this $10 a month FreedomPop plan is definitely one that I'd be willing to use. It really provides you with everything you need from a cell phone plan, and if you're in the market for something that's really cheap, it's very hard to go wrong with something that's basically the price of a couple cups of coffee a month. But with that said, give me your opinion on FreedomPop's cell phone plan in the comment section down below, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and with that said, I will see you next time.